Welcome to Headway Hacks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this website. This is a website I made for my browse group, and it actually uses maybe 2 lines of custom CSS. So I have my demo set up and we're going to get started. So here's the demo. As you can see, it's just the default Headway settings, plus a couple of typography things I was messing around with earlier. So I'm going to hit Enter Visual Editor and we're going to begin. Alright, so first I'm going to start with the background. So you can see it's fairly basic, black. So select body from the element selector and then drag it to black. Done. Alright, now we want to make the wrapper completely white and have a little bit of spacing. So select wrapper and change the border color to white. And then change the pixel size to 10. See? Now for the navigation. Select navigation, change the background to black. Do the same thing for the menu items. And change the color to white. Okay. Now I'm going to upload my header image. So I'm going to maximize the site configuration tab and go to header image and click upload. I'm going to find it on my computer, select it, and it uploads. You're also going to want to get rid of this tagline. So maximize header options and uncheck show tagline. See? Pretty simple. Now I'm going to scroll down and change my footer color. Maximize the design tab, color white, background black. I'm also going to get rid of some of the footer elements by going to Site Configuration, Footer. So I'm going to get rid of pretty much everything, including the attribution link if you are a developer. And I'm also going to get rid of the copyright. I'll show you why in a minute. While I'm here, I'm going to change my read full article links. And I'm going to change my widget titles. And my leaf title. So far, so good. Now you notice the orange colors I'm using throughout the website. That comes from my logo, so I'm going to go over to Photoshop and copy the color. I want this orange color to be more prominent, so I'm going to copy that. Go over here and use it for my active tab. See? I'm also going to use it for my post titles. And I'm going to make them bigger by selecting post title and changing the font size and the line height. Now I'm going to go back into Photoshop and grab the color from the other part of my logo. And I'm going to add that to the bottom. Now instead of the usual 1 pixel border, I'm going to use 3. for a little bit more accent. Same here. I'm also going to go down to my footer and change the link color. Alright. So as you can see, everything's pretty much set. So I'm going to click Save. Okay, now that all that's done, we're gonna jump into a little bit of custom CSS to make everything look awesome. Let me get rid of those footer elements again while I'm thinking about it. So here we have the WordPress administration panel, and we're gonna go into the editor. Oops. Custom.css. And the one thing I want to do is center my widget titles and my leaf titles. So I'm going to go body.custom, ul.sidebar.widget title, body.custom.leaf top, text align, center, update file. Oops. At this point, you can close the visual editor. So now you can see that the titles are centered. The last thing I want to do is add my custom message to the bottom. So now I'm going to add body.custom, div number footer, p, text align, center. The footer doesn't center text automatically, so you have to do it yourself. Now I'm going to go into Headway Easy Hooks, go down to Before Copyright, and enter my own message. I'm also going to put in a hyperlink to my website. And hit Save Changes. Refresh. And there you have it. Now, you notice one small difference. The font. So I'm going to go back into the visual editor. Tools, Mass Font Change, and change everything to Gill Sans. Save. And there you have it, a Jazzy site for a band. Don't forget to check out headwayhacks.com for more hacks and tips. I'm Corey Freeman. Thanks for watching.